Everyone, welcome to day 2 of our Andaman series. Today was all about chasing unique experience and we started in the most magical way possible. We woke up at 2:30 in the morning to head out for something we had been eagerly looking forward to. Kayaking through the serene mangrove forest of Havelock Island. Under the starlit sky, the excitement in our group was real as we all gathered in early hours, still half asleep but buzzing with anticipation. Once we got into our kayaks and began paddling into the calm, dark waters, the experience quickly turned surreal. There was complete silence except for the gentle sound of water and the occasional splash of a paddle. The real magic, however, began when our guide started explaining how these mangroves aren't just beautiful, they are nature's defense system, protecting the island from waves and storms. As we glided deeper into the forest, we were treated to one of nature's rarest sights, pyronosis. The water sparkled with tiny blue lights every time we moved our paddles. It truly felt like we were floating through a dream, and no video could ever do it justice. After this incredible yet tiring kayaking experience, we headed to Elephant Beach for a day full of water sports. Since it's a peak season, the beach was buzzing with energy. There were a variety of activities suitable for all age groups. We started off with parasailing, which gave us breathtaking aerial view of the coastline. Then we went for snorkeling with a guide who took us to a spot teeming with fish. We could even feed them by hand. It was an amazing experience, especially for the couple or beginners. Don't worry, if you are a non-swimmer, it's completely safe. For those traveling with elderly family members, there is also a semi-submarine experience which allows you to explore marine life without getting wet. We also tried the banana boat and thrilling 90-degree ride. Though unfortunately we couldn't capture those moments on camera, still the memories were unforgettable. After an action packed day, we returned to our resort. Completely exhausted, we decided to have dinner there. And surprisingly, it turned out to be a great decision. The food was delicious, budget friendly, and just what we needed to end the day. That wraps up day 2 of our Andaman journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow the rest of our adventure.